Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to do a review and demonstration of these Klein Tools wire strippers. So, these are Klein Tools wire strippers, and they can strip 14 2 Romex, 12 2 Romex, 16, 14, and 12 wire. They can loop wire. They can cut 6 32nd and 8 32nd screws. Alright, and they're made in the USA, which I really like. I'm going to start doing these tool reviews. I really like Klein Tools. That's the only brand I buy. You know, I do electrical work, so I'm going to give y'all a demonstration of how these things work. This is a piece of 12 2 Romex. I'm going to take it on there like that. Okay, easy as that. Pull the paper back. Didn't even have to break out a razor knife. Okay. Show you what else it can do. It can make the little loops. Look at that. Okay, that one tool did it all. So I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe if you like my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe, and have a nice day, and thank you for watching. Bye.